Yo, what's good, everybody? It's me, Connor. Welcome back to part 2 of the full audio build series. I know you guys clicked on this video because you saw the thumbnail. I know, exciting, epic. In today's video, we are going to be installing something into my trunk. Yes, I already know my first ever video was a video of me making a sub speaker box. I took it out because I didn't like how much space it took up. If you came from the last video, I connected all my door speakers to one speaker, and you kept hearing me talk about bed, trunk, back, to that one other amp at the far right. And you saw me add those two switches. Today, that's what this video is about, the bed. I am going to be adding these 4 Rockville Audio speakers. I had these in my bed before. I didn't like them because, one, I didn't know how to tune them to the amp because I didn't know much about wiring or amps or any of that, but now I do. So I'm going to be putting these back in. They're still not the best quality. I'm going to be switching out each speaker inside with 4 SCAR 8-inch mid-range speakers. So that's basically what these are, but the cheaper versions of the SCARs. We're going to be changing these 4 ohm amplifiers into 2 ohm because that gives us more power. I just realized I just did all this and I think it wasn't recording. Well, it's okay because I'll show you guys on this side anyway. Take the wire, strip it down, put that down, push that in, go straight from here over this way, just like this. And down into there, just like that. Give me a little extra. I'm just doing negative to negative, positive to positive, because I'm running them in parallel. Fold this over. Put it right to the positive side. Perfect. So this is how I have this side run for now. Zip tied together so you can't see it. And this side I already measured how much I need. So I already cut it, I need that much, and I just got to do the other side. But I'm going to do that side outside. I'm going to go to Home Depot, split this down the middle, put a T with a post that goes down the middle, just to put extra support, because when I had it before, it did sag. So we already have a piece of 1 1/2 that came off this pole, so that's what I'm going to use for the up and down right here. Got the part we needed right here. It was like $4. I'm not gonna buy the duct tape right now. I'm gonna wait for a different time to do that because I don't know what the color scheme I'm going with my truck. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. I don't know. So I want to base that off of that. So we gotta wait. So for now it's gonna be white. So now what I have to do is put this right in the middle here. Gonna cut right down the center. So I am going to make a little notch. I lied. It doesn't go all the way through. So it means I gotta measure and cut out a chunk. So it's the same exact length. So let's measure how long this is right now. $64 3/4. So as you guys can see, it's strung up. I still gotta move them to where I want them. But if you look on either corner, here, they're just being held up by 2 L brackets. That's why I have that pole in the middle, so that it supports it. So now all I have to do is take these 4 screws,
It is now all in. Gotta space this one out a little bit more. So now I have to wire this side into the truck and wire this side into the truck. Here we're going to pop this out, take it, make sure it runs over the exhaust so we don't melt the wire. You don't want to melt the wire, that's the worst possible thing you can do. Push this. As well. Leave a little extra out. I'm going to put a switch to this as well. Got the switch wire, running it to the front, just right here. I'm gonna run underneath the seat and up to where that is. I have the wires run across here and up with the seat back. You're not even gonna be able to see the wires, but when it's next time I lift and take out my seat, I'll fix the wire, I'll put it underneath, but it's running up through here. I'm gonna put this to a switch. They are in the car, all switched to a switch. I'm gonna drive the truck down there and see how far out we can hear it. Walking away from it.
I know that I'm beneficial. I can't show no feelings. Been when it's tenant.
Let's go test it out.
Cross so many times, I don't know who to trust, think everybody lying. I be finna give up cause I'm so tired of trying. Crawl under a rock and isolate my mind. I don't want no bro friends cause I'm larger than a bitch. Don't want no rap friends cause they be flawed in a bitch. My old friends changing, seen it in HD. If you a fake flow fuck nigga, then what that make me, huh? Cause I was cool with you nigga. Broke out, skip school with you nigga. Stood on the block and bought a room with you nigga. Time you was fooling me, nigga. But what another person paid for platinum plaques. His fortune in his fame, the screens attached. People get acting weird.
So I don't know if that was a good enough example for y'all how loud these actually are. Plus, we're going to be swapping out the speakers and putting in a better amp in a later video to come. So stay tuned for that. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Comment what I should do next. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.